Hello friend, today we will show an immortal game which was played between Grigoroi Sarpar versus Lonanis Nikolodis in 1993. In this game, White sacrifices almost all of pieces and wins the game. This game was played in King Indian defense. Here, Grigoroi Sarpar plays first move c4, then g6, e4, bg7, and here d4 is replied, d6 and c3, and here and f6 and e2 and ge2 and bd7 and g3 c6. Now bishop e2 is replied, then a6, bishop e3, h5. See this move. He wants to attack on king side. Black wants to attack. So here white plays opening move f3. Now b5 is replied, then c5. He should not take this pawn because of pawn cross pawn. This rook will be in open line. So here c5 is the answer. Pawn cross pawn, and here qc7 is played. White plays castling. Then h4. Attacking on king side. Here answer is knight h1. Here black respond with nh5, then controlling f4 square. So here qd2 is the answer, e5 is replied. Then knight f2 and here nf8. See this move. Now black tries to open the diagonal for bishop, also to keep this knight on moving here. So, but his king in the center, unsafe. So here white finds a way to open the game. He wants to open with a4. Here black cannot take this pawn because of knight will come here and black will be in problem. So here b4 is replied. Here white plays fantastic move, sacrifices his knight on d5 and d5. See this move. Now he is threatening to take queen. Here pawn cross knight is captured, pawn cross pawn, and now what to do? Here this square is open for knight and this is very dangerous. So here f5 is answered. f5 is played. Here white plays d6, threatening to take queen, queen c6. See this move. Here white plays bishop b5, sacrificing his bishop. Now he wants to take queen. So here pawn cross bishop is necessary, pawn cross pawn. Here black takes pawn, pawn cross queen, and here white takes rooks. He is threatening to take bishop. What to do? This queen will come here, queen c6, go back. So here white plays rook, this rook f, a1. Then black will play f4, threatening to take this, but this is not a good way. White does not bother. He plays rook a7, and here he is threatening queen to come here on d5. Now black cannot take bishop because of queen d5 is the answer. So what to do here? Here black plays nd7, and now this bishop is captured by rook. Exchange is offered. Then he will take with queen, queen d5. Here black will take bishop, pawn cross bishop, and here queen check, queen e6 check. He can play not here because of rook will come here. So only move king f8. Now rook cross d7, threatening mate on f7. Now pawn cross knight check is given. Now white should play cautiously. He should not take this pawn because of queen will come here and white will be in trouble. So here king f1 is played. Now black will save his game. Q e8 only move. Here rook f7, sacrificing his rook. Here he is bound to take queen cross rook, queen c8 sack. Only move is queen e8, pawn d7. Now he cannot take queen. Again queen is promoted. So here only option king f7. And now pawn cross queen is taken, rook cross queen, and here queen b7 check. Here black replies rook e7, then c6 is played. He wants to promote this pawn. He does not permit save his queen. So here black replies with e4. Now c7 is played and black plays e3. He is threatening to promote this pawn. Now white cannot promote this pawn, so he gives sack. Q d5 sack. Here king f6, queen d6 sack, king f7, and now again q d5 sack. Here white Grigori under severe time pressure. He wants to complete 40 moves here. So here moves are repeated. So here queen d6 sack, then king f7, now queen cross e7, then king cross e7. Now the move is complete. Here white promote his queen, c8 queen, and now black plays bishop h6, saving his pawn, then q c5 sack, king e8, and here q b5 sack, king d8, and now q b6 sack, king d7, queen cross, pawn threatening both pieces, bishop and knight. What to do here? Here black tries last option. He gives sack, e2 sack. Now white should play accurately and cautiously. Here taking of this pawn is a bad because of knight f4 taking queen, forking the queen. So here king cross f2 is taken, and now bishop e3 sack. Here white cannot take any of the bishop or pawn because of the pawn is taken and f4 is the threat. Bishop is taken, pawn will be here queen. So here king e1. Now white parries all threats. Here black has no good option, so resign. So you saw this game in which white sacrifices almost all of his pieces. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the content of this video, then please comment and share with your friend. Also, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.